Okay, so we've switched the parts over. This light strip is still working on this side. The light strip is still not working on this side, which, as I said before, I know the strip works, but maybe a short in my wire on my end that was keeping it from coming on. So we're gonna turn the headlights on. Driver's side headlight is on with the passenger components. Passenger side headlight is not on with the driver's side components, igniter and ballast. So something is wrong with the connection inside this assembly. Let me take it out. Between from where the ballast, which is here, and back in there, where it runs to the igniter. Because the igniter works, the ballast works, the light will not come on because of this assembly. Okay. Turn them off. Lights off. Strip is on. Everything else works on this side. See, this strip is on, blinkers on. Turn the headlights on. This side is on. This side is not. That's high beams on, and we'll turn on the blinker at the same time. High beam and light work on this side. High beam, blinker, headlight does not work on this side. High beam works, blinker works, the low beam here will not turn on.